Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein. We have completed all 50 weeks of 500 most common words and phrases, and we've tried to combine all these weeks and make a single video, but the size was too big. So that's why we decided to make two separate videos, part 1 and part 2. So in part 1 there will be weeks from week 1 until week 25, and part 2 will be week 26 until week 50. The link to part 1 you can find in the description box. So if you watch these two videos, part 1 and part 2, you will learn 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and you will also learn how to use them in a sentence. And remember, each lesson has a PDF file that you can download for free. No need to sign up or pay for that. It's completely free, and you can find links to those PDF files in the description box. Hold on. So there is one more thing before we start watching week 1. My brother Hassan and we decided to start something new, a newsletter. If you sign up for our newsletter once or twice a month, we are planning to send you some cool stuff about Tajik language or Tajikistan. And you might expect to hear about our new courses or books that are coming up, as well as our latest videos on YouTube. We respect your privacy. No spam, just something useful or interesting. Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome. My name is Hussein. This is week 26, and without further ado, let's get started. Dog, sak, sag, sak. And there is another one, kuchuk. Kuchuk is probably from Uzbek language. So you might hear both sak and kuchuk. Sak is formal. So I take a walk with my dog in the evening. Begohi bo sagam sayrugasht mekunam. Begohi, long E, begohi bo sagam sayrugasht mekunam. Cat, gurba. Gurba. And there's another one, pishak, but the proper one is gurba. Okay? So it's easy for cats to climb a tree. Барои гурбаҳо ба дарахт баромадан осон аст. Барои гурбаҳо ба дарахт баромадан осон аст. Bird, paranda. So the birds were singing on the roof. Парандаҳо дар болои бом суруд мехонданд. Парандаҳо дар болои бом суруд мехонданд. Wolf, gurk. So wolves don't usually attack people. Gurkҳо одатан ба одамон ҳамла намекунанд. Gurkҳо одатан ба одамон ҳамла намекунанд. Rabbit, харгӯш. So the rabbit hid behind the tree. Харгӯш дар паси дарахт пинҳон шуд. And instead of pinhon, normally we use, in the north part of Tajikistan, we use rust shud instead of pinhon. Another word, pasi, instead of pasi we say pushti, okay? So the whole sentence would sound like this. Khargosh dar pushti darakht rust shud. So this one is more common in the north part of Tajikistan. Snake, more. Okay, so Abdumalik isn't scared of snakes. Abdumalik is a male name. So Abdumalik az morho nametarsad. Abdumalik az morho nametarsad. Bear, khirs. Are there any bears around here? Dar injo yagon khirsho hastant. Monkey, Maimun. So we saw monkeys at the zoo. Mo dar boghi hayvonot maimunho ro didem. Tiger, palang. So the sentence: no wild tigers are to be found in Africa. Dar Afriqo yagon palangi bakhshi dida nameshavad. Dar Afriqo yagon palangi bakhshi dida nameshavad. Lion, sher. Okay, sher. So which is stronger, tiger or a lion? Kadomash purqovattар аст, palang yo sher? Kadomash purqovattар аст, palang yo sher. Alright, so now you know how to say 10 different animals in Tajik. So thanks a lot for watching. See you guys in the next video. Khair. Hi there friends, Salam Dostom. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hussein, and together with my brother Hassan, we teach Tajik in this channel. And right now, you are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every week, we teach 10 new vocabulary words. And this is week 27. And our first word is illness, bemori. Bemori, bemori. So the sentence, he was absent because of illness. Vai as sababi bemori hozir nabud. Vai as sababi bemori hozir nabud. And the word hozir has two meanings. One is like right now, hozir, now. And another meaning, hozir is like present. You are there at the time. So it's like the opposite of absent. Injury. Jarohat, jarohat, jarohat. Okay, so the doctor treated Asiya's injury. Asiya is a female name. So in Tajik, Dukhtur jarohati Asiya ro tabobat kard. Dukhtur jarohati Asiya ro tabobat kard. To break. Shikastan, shikastan, shikastan. So Fakhreddin fell and broke his arm while he was skiing. And Fakhreddin is a male name. So Fakhreddin hangomi lijaroni aftide dastash ro shikast. Fakhreddin hangomi lijaroni aftide dastash ro shikast. The word shikastan is an infinitive, and in a sentence it comes as shikast. So if you want to know why, you can watch our video about the verbs, and you can find a link to that video in the description box. Medicine, doru, doru, doru. Okay, so if you take this medicine, you will feel better. Agar shumo in doru ro istemol kuned, khud ro behtar his mekuned. Okay, one more time. Agar shumo in doru ro istemol kuned, khud ro behtar his mekuned. Pain, dard, dard, dard. Okay, so I'm not in any pain. Man yagon dard nadoram. Man yagon dard nadoram. Luckily. Normally, we don't pronounce the last letter de at the end, so it sounds like dard, dard. And it's the same like in English, you say brand new. You don't say brand new, right? Brand new. So it's the same. Dard. Cold. Zukom. 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 So the sentence, I have a cold. Man zukom shudam. Man zukom shudam. And zukom is so rare. To be honest, I've never heard anyone using this word. Normally, we say man bemor shudam or man kasal shudam. Instead of zukom, we use bemor and kasal. Remedy. Davo. 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 Okay? So hot lemon tea with honey is a good remedy for colds. Choi garm bo limö va asal baroi zukom davoi khubast. One more time. Choi garm bo limö va asal baroi zukom davoi khubast. Fatigue. Khastagi. 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 Long E at the end. So Ravshan looks fatigued, and Ravshan is a male name. So Ravshan khaste menamoyad. Ravshan khaste menamoyad. Blood. Khun. 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 And the first letter is kh. Kh. Khun. Okay. Do you know your blood type? Shumo guruhi khunaton ro medonid. Shumo guruhi khunaton ro medonid. Pressure. Fishor. 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 I have a high blood pressure. Fishori man baland ast. Fishori man baland ast. Alright, that was our last word. Thank you very much for watching. and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Khair. Salam doston. Hey there friends, welcome back. My name is Hussein, and in this channel we teach Tajik with my brother Hassan. So in today's episode we'll talk about some subjects we study at school or at the university. So our first subject is biology, biologia, 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 and sometimes people pronounce it as biologia instead of O in the middle. They pronounce it A, biologia, because it was borrowed from Russian language, and in Russian it sounds like biologia, not biologia. Okay, so the sentence: biology is sometimes quite hard to understand. Базан фаҳмидани биология хеле душвор аст. Базан фаҳмидани биология хеле душвор аст. And if you are wondering how to say subject in Tajik, it's fun. Very simple, fun. So biology subject will be fani biologia. Fani with double N, biologia. Chemistry, kimio, kimio, kimio. And some people say chimia instead of kimio. Kimio is in Tajik and chimia is in Russian. So the sentence: he's a professor of chemistry at Cambridge. Вай профессори kimio dar Cambridge meboshat. Вай профессори kimio dar Cambridge meboshat. Physics, fizika, fizika, fizika. So we had an examination in physics yesterday. In Tajik, mo dirus as fani fizika imtihon doshtem. Mo dirus as fani fizika imtihon doshtem. Economics, iqtisodiyot, iqtisodiyot, iqtisodiyot. And if it's hard for you to pronounce that, you can just pronounce first two letters first, like iq, and then tisodiyot, iqtisodiyot. Okay, so the sentence: I never liked economics. Man fani iqtisodiyot ro hech goh dost namedostam. Man fani iqtisodiyot ro hech goh dost namedostam. Math, matematika, matematika, matematika. Okay, so I like math. Man matematika ro dost medoram. Man matematika ro dost medoram. English, anglisi, anglisi, anglisi. And we also say zaboni anglisi, which means English language. Okay, so she teaches English to elementary students. Вай ба хонандагои синфҳои ибтидоӣ забони англисӣ дарс медиҳад. Okay, one more time. Вай ба хонандагони синфҳои ибтидоӣ забони англисӣ дарс медиҳад. History, tarikh, tarikh, or some people say tarikh. So you can say tarikh, but you see, because of letter a, alomati sakta, Tajik letter, you may pronounce it like long a, tarikh. And similar to English word door, when you pronounce or like long or, door. So the sentence: he's studying history in college. Вай дар колледж таърихро меомӯзад. Вай дар колледж таърихро меомӯзад. Geography, geographia, geographia, geographia. Okay, it's a bit tricky. Je and khe, geographia. So I'm good at geography. Man geographia ro khub medanam. Man geographia ro khub medanam. PE, tarbiyayi jismoni, tarbiyayi jismoni, tarbiyayi jismoni. So the PE class starts at 9. Tarbiyayi jismoni soati 9 og'oz meshavad. One more time. Tarbiyayi jismoni soati 9 og'oz meshavad. And instead of og'oz meshavad, normally we say in the north part, we say sar meshavad instead of og'oz meshavad. Psychology, psychologia, psychologia, psychologia. But usually we say psychologia after khe, the letter khe, we say a, psychologia, because it was borrowed from Russian, just like the word biologia, biology, the same, psychologia. Okay, so that's why don't be confused if you hear a instead of o after he. So, the sentence. Psychology is an interesting subject. Psixologiya fani shavqovar meboshad. Psixologiya fani shavqovar meboshad. Alright, that's it for today, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please click the like button so it will help other people to find this video and to find our channel. So thank you very much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and if you are new to this channel, my brother Hassan and I, we teach Tajik here. And right now you are watching our video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And every Tuesday we teach 10 more new vocabulary words, and at the end we'll have 500. This is week 29, so let's get started. Email. Почтой электронный. Почтой электронный. Почтой электронный. So the sentence. You can email us. Шумо метавонед ба почтой электронный мо нависед. Шумо метавонед ба почтой электронный мо нависед. Text message. Payomak. 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 But we don't say payomak. We say SMS instead. SMS. So why do we teach you payomak if we use SMS? Because we want you to know both formal and informal Tajik. If you only use formal Tajik, then probably not many Tajiks, locals, will be able to understand you because we use some other informal words. That's why we teach you both formal and informal. So, the sentence. She sent me a text message saying that she'll be late. Vai baman payomak firistot ki der meshavat. Vai baman payomak firistot ki der meshavat. And the way we would say it, it would sound like Vai baman SMS firistot ki der meshavat. Phone. Telephone. 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 And you may hear people saying telefoni mobili, but it's a bit too long. Telefoni mobili. So, the sentence. Where is your phone? Telefoni shumo dar kujo. Telefoni shumo dar kujo. Phone number. Raqami mobili or raqami telephone. Raqami mobili. Raqami mobili or raqami telephone. Raqami telephone. So, my phone number is +992 98 123 4567. So +992 is the country code, and then 98 is the mobile operator, and then the number. So in Tajik, raqami telefoni man plus 992 98 123 45 67. So as you might notice, we don't say that each number one by one, but we say in tens and hundreds. Computer. Royona. Computer. Royona. Royona or computer. Everybody says computer, not Royona. So Royona is not that common yet. So the sentence. I'm going to buy a new computer tomorrow. Man pago computeri nav mecharam. Or with Royona, man pago royonei nav mecharam. Printer. Moshinei chopkuni or dastgohi chopkuni. Moshinei chopkuni or dastgohi chopkuni. And it's the same, just like Royona, computer. We don't say moshinei chopkuni, we say printer. Printer, just like in English, printer. So, I bought this printer last year. Man in moshinei chopkuniro soli guzashta kharidam. Man in moshinei chopkuniro soli guzashta kharidam. But we would say man in printero soli guzashta kharidam instead of moshinei chopkuni. Radio. 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 Very simple, just like in English. So, I heard the news on the radio. Man in khabaro az radio shunidam. Man in khabaro az radio shunidam. TV. Oynei nilgun or televisor. Oynei nilgun. Oynei nilgun. Again, nobody says oynei nilgun. we say televisor, televisor instead. So, do you watch TV? شما تلویزر تماشا میکنید. شما تلویزر تماشا میکنید. Internet, 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 internet. So she goes on the internet daily. Vay har roz az internet istifoda mebarad. Vay har roz az internet istifoda mebarad. Usually we don't say az internet istifoda mebarad. We just say vay har roz internet istifoda mebarad. But our Tajik teacher from the university, he told us that we better put az there. So it will be more like a proper Tajik. Vay har roz az internet istifoda mebarad. Newspaper, roznoma, roznoma, roznoma. So Karim didn't read the newspaper yesterday. Karim دیروز روزنامه رو نخونده بود. Karim دیروز روزنامه رو نخونده بود. And Karim is a male name, our neighbor's name. Alright, that's been it. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember, you can find all of these words and sentences that we used in this class in a PDF file, and the link to that PDF file you can find in the description box. So, see you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam doston, hi friends, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs, and in this channel, together with my brother, we teach Tajik. This is week 30, and our first word is money, pull, pull. So, the sentence, he had a lot of money in the bank. Vay dar bonk puli ziyod dosht. Vay dar bonk puli ziyod dosht. Coin, tanga, tanga, tanga. So the sentence, I collect rare coins. Man tangahoyi nodir jam mekunam. Man tangahoyi nodir jam mekunam. Cash, naqd, naqd, naqd. But we say naqd, maybe because it's easier to say naqd. Okay, so the sentence, I'd like to pay in cash. Man mekhoham bo puli naqd pardokht kunam. من میخواهم با پول نقد پرداخت کنم. Debit cards, کارت دبیتی, کارت دبیتی, کارت دبیتی. So the sentence, I paid with my debit card. من با کارت دبیتی خود پرداخت کردم. من با کارت دبیتی خود پرداخت کردم. Credit card, کارت کردیتی. Korti krediti, korti krediti. So the sentence, can I pay with a credit card? Oyo man metavonam bo korti krediti pardokht kunam. Oyo man metavonam bo korti krediti pardokht kunam. And oyo is optional here. You don't need oyo. Oyo makes it more formal. In the north part of Tajikistan, this sentence is too formal, so we would say bo kort pardokht kunam meshad mi. Bo kort pardokht kunam meshad mi. As far as I know, in Tajikistan we use only debit cards because credit cards are still something new. Only a few banks offer credit cards. So majority of people still use cash. Wallet, hamyon, hamyon, hamyon. Also you can hear people using another word, a Russian word, kошелек, kошелек. So the sentence, I lost my wallet. Man hamyonam ro gum kardam. Man hamyonam ro gum kardam. Document, hujjat or sanat. Hujjat, hujjat or sanat, sanat. But hujjat is more common. So the sentence, I've already read that document. Man alakai on hujjat ro khondam. Man alakai on hujjat ro khondam. Report, hisobot. Hisobot, hisobot. So the sentence, bring me the report please. Lutfan hisobot ro ba man bioret. Lutfan hisobot ro ba man bioret. We Tajiks don't really use the word please. In Tajik, Lutfan and Iltimos both mean the same thing. In our daily conversation, we don't really use these words. But we might use them when we really need something from are the people. Mail, почта. Почта, почта. So the sentence, I'll send the book by mail. Man kitabro bo vositayi почта mefristam. Man kitabro bo vositayi почта mefristam. Website, somona. Somona, somona. A lot of people use website, so you can use both, somona and website. So the sentence, responses will be posted on our website. جواب‌ها در سامانه ما جایگیر کرده می‌شوند. جواب‌ها در سامانه ما جایگیر کرده می‌شوند. Alright, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Salam doston. Hi there friends, welcome back. I'm back, it's me this time around, it's Hussein. So you are watching our 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 31. So let's start. Happy, خوشبخت, خوشبخت, خوشبخت. So the sentence, he's not rich but he's happy. Вай сарватманд нест, аммо خوشبخت است. Вай сарватманд нест, аммо خوشبخت است. And instead of sarvatmand, we usually use boy. So boy means rich. So boy is more common. Sad, ghamgin, or ziq. Ghamgin, ghamgin, or ziq, ziq. Ziq is more common. So the sentence, why are you so sad? Charo inqadar ghamgined. Charo inqadar ghamgined. Or the way we would say it, چرا شما اینقدر زیق. چرا شما اینقدر زیق. Okay? So in the first example, we don't have شما because we end the verb with ed, غمگینید. So that's why it's not important to put شما in the first example. Shy, شرمگین. شرمگین, شرمگین. So I used to be shy when I was younger. من در جوانی شرمگین بودم. من در جوانی شرمگین بودم. Funny, خنده آور. خنده آور, خنده آور. So خنده means a smile and آوردن means to bring. So خنده آور, it's like something that makes you smile or laugh. So the sentence, Rustam told me a very funny joke. Rustam با من سخنی خیلی خنده آور گفت. Rustam با من سخنی خیلی خنده آور گفت. Bored, dilgir, or diltang. Dilgir, dilgir, or another one, diltang, diltang. And dil means heart. So there is another word which is more common in the north part. We say ziq. So you already know that ziq has another meaning as well, sad. And the second meaning is like bored. So the sentence, I'm just a little bored. Man kamtar dilgir shudam. Man kamtar dilgir shudam. Or the way we would say it, it would be man kamtar ziq shudam. Man kamtar ziq shudam, which is more common in the north part. Angry, khashmgin, ghazabnok. Khashmgin, khashmgin, and another one, ghazabnok, ghazabnok. And we have another one, another two, fail and jahal. These two are nouns, fail and jahal. But khashmgin and ghazabnok, they are more formal. So the sentence, I had no idea Eraj was angry. Eraj is a male name. So in Tajik, man namedonistám ki Eraj khashmgin bud. Man namedonistám ki Eraj khashmgin bud. And the more informal way, the way we would say in the north part of Tajikistan, it would sound like Man namedonistám ki Eraj felash omadagi bud. Man namedonistám ki Eraj felash omadagi bud. You see, it's a little bit different. Northern dialect. Scared, tarsidan. Tarsidan, tarsidan, scared. So I'm scared of snakes. Man az morho metarsam. Man az morho metarsam. Tired, khasta, monda. Khasta or monda. So khasta and monda. We use both of them. So, the sentence. The children were tired after the long trip. بچه‌ها بعدی سفری دور و دراز مانده شدند. بچه‌ها بعدی سفری دور و دراز مانده شدند. Worried. خواطیر. 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 So the sentence. I became worried when they didn't arrive on time. And in Tajik, وقتی که آنها در وقتش نیامدند من خواطیر شدم. وقتی که آنها در وقتش نیامدند من خواطیر شدم. And man here is optional. You can say it without man, just خواطیر شدم, because it ends with شدم, so that's why you don't really need man here, but it's optional. Surprised. حیران. در حیرت. حیران. حیران. Or another one, در حیرت. So in a sentence we say در حیرت ماندن. So she was surprised to hear the news. وی از شنیدن این خبر حیران ماند. وی از شنیدن این خبر حیران ماند. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and catch you guys in the next video. Khair. Hi there friends, Salam Doston. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. So our first word is spoon. قاشق. 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 And people also say chumcha. Okay? Chumcha. So, excuse me, do you have any spoons? میبخشید شما یگان قاشق دارید؟ میبخشید شما یگان قاشق دارید؟ Fork. چنگک. Changak. Changak. And changak, to be honest, I've never heard changak before, even though I used to work as a waiter. We usually use the Russian word, vilka. Vilka is more common. Alright, the sentence. How many more forks do we need? Ба мо боз чанд чангак лозим аст. Ба мо боз чанд чангак лозим аст. Knife. Cord. 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 And r in the middle, the letter r. It's silent, and the way we say it, it's more like kot, kot, without r. Give us 2 knives and 4 spoons, please. لطفاً با ما 2 کورد و 4 قاشق دهید. So now let's say it without r. لطفاً با ما 2 کورد و 4 قاشق دهید. Cup. Piola. 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 And the shape of piola is like a mini bowl. It's small. We use it usually when we drink tea. And the sentence, may I have a cup of tea? ممکن است یک پیاله چای نوشم. ممکن است یک پیاله چای نوشم. And don't be surprised, I'm wearing a different shirt because that part of the video wasn't recorded. That's why I look different. Bowl. Kosa. 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 I'd like a bowl of soup, please. من یک کاسه شوربا می‌خواستم. من یک کاسه شوربا می‌خواستم. Teapot. چاینک. 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 And there is another one, choinik, and I guess this one is more formal, choinik, but you can say choinak. So, she filled the teapot with boiling water. Вай чойнак ро бо оби ҷӯшон пур кард. Вай чойнак ро бо оби ҷӯшон пур кард. Plate. Tabak. 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 So, the plate is big. Tabak kalon ast. Tabak kalon ast. Kazan, or cooking pot. Dik. 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 So, my mom cooks pilav in a big cooking pot. Модарам дар деги калон оши палав мепазад. Модарам дар деги калон оши палав мепазад. And if you want to make it sound more polite and more in a respectful way, you can end mepazad with and, mepazand. So it will be more like respectful. Модарам дар деги калон оши палав мепазанд. Refrigerator. Яхдон. 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 Put the vegetables in the fridge. سبزوات‌ها را به یخدان گذارید. سبزوات‌ها را به یخدان گذارید. Tablecloth. دسترخوان. 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 So, the sentence. Dinner is ready. Spread the tablecloth. خوراک شام آماده است. دسترخوان را گشایید. خوراک شام آماده است. دسترخوان را گشایید. خوراک شام is quite formal. Yeah, some people say خوراک شام, but there is another one, ужин, which is from Russian. Ужин. It means dinner. It's more common. Ужин. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and thanks a lot for leaving us comments and liking our videos. We appreciate that. So, see you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam Doston. Hi there friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and in this lesson we'll learn 10 more new vocabulary words, and this is week 33. So let's get started. House. Khona. 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 In the sentence, this is our house. In khone most. In khone most. And most here, it's the same like mo ast. It's just short form of mo ast. Okay? And you can also remove ast and just say in khone mo. The meaning will be the same. In khone mo. Apartment. Khona or istiqomatgoh. Khona. Again, so this is another meaning of khona, apartment, and another one is istiqomatgoh. So khona and istiqomatgoh. The sentence: her apartment is on the 4th floor. Khonaи vay dar oshyonaи chorum ast. Khonai vay dar oshyonai chorum ast. Floor. Oshona. Oshyona. Oshyona. So, how many floors does that building have? On bino chand oshyona dorad. On bino chand oshyona dorad. Room. Hujra or khona. Hujra. Hujra. And another one, khona. Khona. So khona can be an apartment, a house, and also a room. And people don't get confused. Depending on the sentence, the meaning can be different. So the sentence: the room is empty. Hujra kholi ast. Hujra kholi ast. Bedroom. Hujrei khob. Hujrei khob. Hujrei khob. But people don't really say hujrei khob. It's not that common. People usually use a Russian word, which is spalnya. Spalnya. So hujrei khob is not that common yet. So the sentence: this is my bedroom. This is my bedroom. In hujrei khobi man ast. In hujrei khobi man ast. Living room. Mehmon khona. Mehmon khona. Mehmon khona. And mehmon means a guest, and khona is like a room here. So mehmon khona, a room for the guests. So the sentence: they are having tea in the living room. Onho dar mehmon khona choy noshide istodand. One more time. Onho dar mehmon khona choy noshide istodand. Bathroom. Hammom or hojat khona. Hojat khona. Hojat khona. And another one is hammom. Hammom. And usually when people say hammom, they talk about the place where you can take a shower. And hojat khona is where you do your business. So hammom, take a shower, and hojat khona is the toilet. They are kind of separate. Alright, the sentence: where is the bathroom? Hojat khona dar kujost. Hojat khona dar kujost. Kitchen. Oshkhona. 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 So the sentence: I want a kitchen like this. So man chunin oshkhona mekhoham. Man chunin oshkhona mekhoham. Garage. 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 And in Russian, it's the same spelling. Garage. Farhod keeps his tools in the garage. Farhod asbobhoyi khud ro dar garage nigoh medorad. One more time. Farhod asbobhoyi khud ro dar garage nigoh medorad. Garden. Bogh. 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 And at the end, kh, letter kh. So, the sentence: there is a large garden behind my friend's house. Dar pasi khonayi dostam boghi kalon mavjud ast. Dar pasi khonayi dostam boghi kalon mavjud ast. And if you want to say my female friend, like a girl friend, then you better say dugonam instead of dostam. So dugona will be a female friend. So dar pasi khone dugonam, khone boghi kalon mavjud ast. Dar pasi khone dugonam, boghi kalon mavjud ast. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and this is week 34. So without further ado, let's get started. Gate, darvoza, darvoza, darvoza. So I'll meet you by the park gate. Man bo tu dar nazdi darvozayi bogh va mekhoram. Man bo tu dar nazdi darvozayi bogh va mekhoram. Door, dar. Dar, dar. So come in, the door is open. Daroyed dar kushoda ast. Daroyed dar kushoda ast. Bell, zang. Zang, zang. So Sanjar arrived at the gate and rang the bell. Sanjar is a male name. So Sanjar ba nazdi darvoza omad va zang ro pakhsh kard. Sanjar ba nazdi darvoza omad va zang ro pakhsh kard. Key, khalid. Khalid, khalid is a key. So I'm looking for my key. Man khalidi khud ro mejoyam. Man khalidi khud ro mejoyam. And instead of mejoyam, sometimes people say kofte istodaam. So it's continuous. So it will be like man khalidi khud ro kofte istodaam. Both are the same, mejoyam or kofte istodaam. Lock, qulf. Qulf, qulf. So lock the door. Darro qulf kuned. Darro qulf kuned. Window, tireza. Tireza, tireza. So I like sitting by the window. Man dar nazdi tireza nishastan ro dost medoram. Man dar nazdi tireza nishastan ro dost medoram. Curtain, parda. Parda, parda. So my son hid behind the curtain. And pisaram dar pasi parda pinhon shud. Pisaram dar pasi parda pinhon shud. And pinhon shud is not that common, so it's a little bit formal. So instead of pinhon, we usually say rust shud. So it will be like pisaram dar pasi parda rust shud. Table, mis. Mis, mis. Also people say stol instead of mis. Stol is from Russian. So the sentence, dinner is on the table. And in Tajik, khoiroki shom dar rui mizast. Khoiroki shom dar rui mizast. And rui I with y and rui without y, they both are the same. So you can use either rui I or rui, doesn't matter. Chair, kursi. Kursi. Kursi is a chair, but people say stool instead. Stool is more common. Stool. And the table was stol, remember? Stol. There are 4 chairs in our kitchen. Dar oshkhonai mo 4 kursi mavjud ast. Dar oshkhonai mo 4 kursi mavjud ast. And mavjud ast is from Arabic. You can also replace it with hast. Dar oshkhonai mo 4 kursi hast. The meaning is the same. Roof, bom. Bom, bom, the roof. So I see a bird on the roof. Dar boloi bom parandeiro mebinam. Dar boloi bom parandeiro mebinam. And there is something interesting about parandeiro. I didn't know about this before. So if you say parandeiro, if there is ye in the middle, it means that a bird. So we don't know what kind of bird. But if you say the bird, I see the bird on the roof, you will say dar boloi bom parandaro mebinam. So not parandaero, but parandaro. So one more time. The bird, paranda. A bird, parandaero. Like that. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Khair. Hi there, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and behind the camera is my brother Hassan. So in this channel, my brother and I, we teach Tajik. So this is week 35 of 500 most common words and phrases video series. So let's get started. My name is Nomiman. 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 And the sentence, my name is Chris. Nomiman Chris. Nomiman Chris. Chris is not my name, just an example. What's your name? Nomi shmo chi. Nomi shmo chi. Nomi shmo chi. And I'm Hussein. What's your name? Man Hussein, nomi shmo chi. Man Hussein, nomi shmo chi. Could you please help me? Iltimos baman yori dihet. Iltimos baman yori dihet. Iltimos baman yori dihet. And it's not a question, it's just a request, and it means the same thing. But the literal translation would be Metavoniet baman yori dihet. Metavoniet baman yori dihet. So they both mean the same. Alright, I need to translate this sentence. Could you please help me? Man boyat in jumla ro tarjuma kunam. Iltimos baman yori dihet. Man boyat in jumla ro tarjuma kunam. Iltimos baman yori dihet. I've got a problem. Man mushkili doram. Man mushkili doram. Man mushkili doram. And the sentence, I've got a problem. I need your help. Man mushkili doram. Baman kömeki tu lozim ast. Man mushkili doram. Baman kömeki tu lozim ast. I don't feel well. خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. So, I don't feel well. I'm afraid I ate something bad. So, in Tajik, خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. من میترسم که چیزی بد خوردم. خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. من میترسم که چیزی بد خوردم. And man here is optional. You can just say میترسم که چیزی بد خوردم. It's the same. In the north part of Tajikistan, we don't really say man خودم رو خوب حس نمیکنم. That's too long. We just say mazam ne. Mazam ne. This is informal. May I make a call? ممکن است زنگ زنم. ممکن است زنگ زنم. ممکن است زنگ زنم. So, the sentence, my friend is waiting for me. May I make a call? دوستم مرا انتظار است. ممکن است زنگ زنم. دوستم مرا انتظار است. ممکن است زنگ زنم. And you might have this kind of situation if you're in a classroom or maybe if you have a meeting. So you might use this kind of sentence. I'd like من میخواستم. من میخواستم. من میخواستم. So I'd like to travel to Tajikistan someday. من میخواستم یگان روز به تاجیکستان سفر کنم. من میخواستم یگان روز به تاجیکستان سفر کنم. I don't want. نمیخواهم. نمیخواهم. Or you can also say من نمیخواهم. Like I don't want. So the sentence, I don't want to go alone. من تنها رفتن نمیخواهم. من تنها رفتن نمیخواهم. I'm thirsty. من تشنه هستم. من تشنه هستم. من تشنه هستم. And you can also say من تشنه without هستم. It's the same. So the sentence, I'm thirsty. Can you buy me a drink? من تشنه هستم. میتوانید با من نوشیکی بخرید. من تشنه هستم. میتوانید با من نوشیکی بخرید. I want to sleep. من خواب رفتن میخواهم. من خواب رفتن میخواهم. من خواب رفتن میخواهم. So the sentence, I'm so tired. I want to sleep. من خیلی مانده شدم. من خواب رفتن میخواهم. And you can also say without man, just خیلی مانده شدم. من خواب رفتن میخواهم. That's it for today, and thank you so much for watching our videos, leaving comments and sending us emails. We appreciate that. So take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. This is week 36 and our first phrase is I'm cold. Khunuk khurdam. Khunuk khurdam. Khunuk khurdam. And literally it's like I ate cold. Khurdan, because khurdan is to eat. So, but the meaning is I'm cold. Alright, the sentence. I'm cold and I'm wet. I have no idea what to do. من خنک خوردم و تر شدم. نمیدونم که چی کار کنم. من خنک خوردم و تر شدم. نمیدونم که چی کار کنم. I'm hot. من گرم شدم. من گرم شدم. من گرم شدم. So, I'm hot. Can I open the window? من گرم شدم. میتوانم تیره‌زا رو گشایم. من گرم شدم. میتوانم تیره‌زا رو گشایم. I'm okay. من خوبم. من خوبم. من خوبم. And I'm okay. Thanks. من خوبم. تشکر. من خوبم. تشکر. In the north, we say man nachts. Instead of خوبم, we say nachts. Out of order. از کار برآمده. از کار برآمده. از کار برآمده. So, the sentence. The lift is out of order. We have to walk up the stairs. Lift از کار برآمد. ما باید با زینه‌پایه به بالا رویم. Lift از کار برآمد. ما باید با زینه‌پایه به بالا رویم. Closed. پوشیده. 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 And the sentence. The store is closed. مغازه پوشیده است. مغازه پوشیده است. And we also say روست sometimes. And poshida is more formal. You can see the sign like poshida at the store, but not rust. But when we say, usually we say rust. Open. Kushoda. 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 So, the museum is open to the public. Osarkhona baroy tamoshobinon kushoda ast. Osarkhona baroy tamoshobinon kushoda ast. For women, baroy zanon. Baroy zanon. Baroy zanon. So, we have built rooms for women who want to do artwork and other hobbies. ما برای زنانی که میخواهند با کارهای صنعت و دیگر محفل‌ها مشغول شوند اتاق‌ها ساختیم. So, one more time. ما برای زنانی که میخواهند با کارهای صنعت و دیگر محفل‌ها مشغول شوند اتاق‌ها ساختیم. For men. برای مردان. برای مردان. برای مردان. مردان here is plural. مرد will be man. So, they sell products for men. آنها برای مردان محصولات میفروشند. آنها برای مردان محصولات میفروشند. I need to go to the restroom. من به حاجتخانه رفتنم لازم. من به حاجتخانه رفتنم لازم. Okay, the sentence. I need to go to the restroom first. من اول به حاجتخانه رفتنم لازم. من اول به حاجتخانه رفتنم لازم. I have to go. من باید روم. من باید روم. من باید روم. So, I need to go. Today is my nephew's birthday. من باید روم. امروز زادروزی جیانم می باشد. من باید روم. امروز زادروزی جیانم می باشد. And you can skip می باشد and just say like امروز زادروزی جیانم. It means the same thing. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. That's it for today. And don't forget, you can find the PDF file of this lesson in the description box. You can find the link to that PDF file that you can go and download for free. So, hope to see you in the next video. Khair. Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and behind the camera is my brother Hassan. This is week 37 and our first phrase is I want or I'd like. Man mikhoham or man mikhostam. Man mikhoham will be I want and man mikhostam will be I'd like. Okay? So man mikhoham and man mikhostam.
And all of the sentences, all of our examples today in this class will be with I'd like or I want. Alright, the first one is I want to eat ice cream. Man yakhmos khurdan mikhoham. Man yakhmos khurdan mikhoham. To drink. Noshidan. Noshidan. Okay? Noshidan. So, I'd like to drink a cup of tea. Man yak pyola choy noshidan mikhoham. Man yak pyola choy noshidan mikhoham. And if you want, you can put mikhoham at the beginning, so it will be man mikhoham yak pyola choy noshidan. The meaning is the same, but it's more natural if you put mikhoham at the end. Man yak pyola choy noshidan mikhoham. In the northern part of Tajikistan, especially in Khujand, where we are from, Hassan and I, my brother and I, we say choy khurdan instead of choy noshidan. Khurdan is to eat. Yeah, that's how we say choy khurdan instead of noshidan. And it's not common everywhere in Tajikistan, mostly in the northern part of Tajikistan. To take a shower. Hammom kardan. Hammom kardan. Hammom kardan. And also some people say obozi kardan. Obozi is more like swimming, but people use both of them, hammom and obozi. Alright, the sentence. I want to take a shower first. Man aval hammom kardan mikhoham. Man aval hammom kardan mikhoham. To rest a while. Kamtar dam giriftan. Kamtar dam giriftan. Kamtar dam giriftan. And the formal way would be like Kami dam giriftan. Kami dam giriftan. And the sentence, I can't run anymore. I want to rest a while. Man digar davida nametavonam. Man kamtar dam giriftan mikhoham. One more time. Man digar davida nametavonam. Man kamtar dam giriftan mikhoham. To change my clothes. Libosamro ivas kardan. Libosamro ivas kardan. Libosamro ivas kardan. And the sentence, these colors don't match. I want to change my clothes. In rangho naun qadar khuband. Man libosamro ivas kardan mikhoham. Okay, one more time. In rangho naun qadar khuband. Man libosamro ivas kardan mikhoham. There's another way to say these colors don't match. In Tajik it will be in rangho muwafiq nestand. Muwafiq nestand, don't match. It's the literal translation, but naun qadar khuband sounds more like natural. In rangho naun qadar khuband. To go back to the hotel. Ba mehmonkhona bargashtan. Ba mehmonkhona bargashtan. Ba mehmonkhona bargashtan. Alright, and the sentence? I have a headache. I want to go back to the hotel. Saram dar karda isudast. Man ba mehmonkhona bargashtan mikhoham. Saram дард карда истодааст. Ман ба меҳмонхона баргаштан мехоҳам. To buy. Харидан. 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 And the sentence. Бахтёр wants to buy a new house. Бахтёр хонаи нав харидан мехоҳад. Бахтёр хонаи нав харидан мехоҳад. And Бахтёр is a male name. To go to. Ba рафтан. Ba somewhere raftan. Ba maktab raftan, to go to school, like that. Alright, the sentence. My friend wants to go to Disneyland. Dosti man ba Disneyland raftan mekhohat. Dosti man ba Disneyland raftan mekhohat. To visit. Safar kardan or khabar giriftan. Safar kardan. Safar kardan is to go abroad, to go overseas. And khabar giriftan is to visit someone, to visit your grandma or to visit your relatives, like that. Okay, so I'd like to visit Singapore. Man ba Singapore safar kardan mekhoham. Man ba Singapore safar kardan mekhoham. To meet. Vokhordan. 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 Okay, so I want to meet you in person. Man bo shumo shakhsan vokhordan mekhoham. Man bo shumo shakhsan vokhordan mekhoham. Alright, that's been it. Thanks a lot for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye. Khair.
Salam. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and if you are new to this channel, my brother Hassan and I, we teach Tajik here. And you are watching our 500 most common words and phrases video series, and this is week 38. So let's get started. What? Chi, chiho, or kadom? Chi, chiho, and kadom. So chi is singular. For example, what did you buy? Tu chi kharidi. Tu chi kharidi. And chiho is plural. For example, what are the things that you like? Tu bachiho shauq dori. Tu bachiho shauq dori. And in English we have things there, but in Tajik there is no things. Instead of things we put just chiho. Chiho is enough there. Alright, and kadom is like which. So the sentence. It was not clear what she said. Ma'lum nabud ki vai chi guft. Ma'lum nabud ki vai chi guft. In Khujand, which is in the north part of Tajikistan, instead of chi, most of the time people use chize. Chize is super informal. You will not see that in the book, but it's chi. But we use chize. Who? Ki or kiho? Ki and kiho. The same like with chi and chiho. Here ki is singular, kiho is plural. So, do you know who he is? Medoni vai kiast? Medoni vai kiast? And asked here is optional. You can just say Medoni vai ki, like that. Where? Dar kujo. Dar kujo. Dar kujo. So, where do you live? Shumo dar kujo zindagi mekuned. Shumo dar kujo zindagi mekuned. In Khujand, we say kujonda instead of dar kujo. It's informal, kujonda. That's what people use. And in the capital, in Dushanbe, people say kujoda instead of dar kujo. Some people say dar kujo too, but there is no n like in Khujand, just kujoda. Where to? Ba kujo. Ba kujo. Ba kujo. And again in Khujand, we say kujova instead of bakujo. This is informal, but it's more common in Khujand, in the northern part of Tajikistan. So, the sentence, where to go now? Aknun bakujo ravim. Aknun bakujo ravim. Where from? As kujo. As kujo. As kujo. Where are you from? Shumo as kujo meshavit. Shumo as kujo meshavit. And meshavit is optional here. You can just say shumo as kujo. Shumo as kujo. Why? Baroi chi. Charo. Baroi chi. Baroi chi. Or charo. Charo. And baroi chi is more common. So, why did you buy a flower? Baroi chi shmo gul kharidit. Baroi chi shmo gul kharidit. Which? Kadom. 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 Which color do you like best? Kadom rang ba shumo beshtar ma'qul ast. Kadom rang ba shumo beshtar ma'qul ast. When? Kai. 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 When will we arrive? Mo kai merasim. Mo kai merasim. Since when? Askai. 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 And in Khujand we say kai ac instead of askai. Alright, the sentence. Since when did you become so interested in chess? Askai ba shohmod in qadar shauq paydo kardid. Askai ba shohmod in qadar shauq paydo kardid. At what time? Soati chand. Soati chand. Soati chand. So, at what time will the movie start? Film soati chand sar meshavad. Film soati chand sar meshavad. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it and learned something new, please press the like button. It would help us a lot. So, see you in the next video. Khair. Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and you are watching our 500 most common words and phrases video series. And this is week 39, so let's get started. Here, اینجا اینجا اینجا. So the sentence, write your address here. سراغه خود رو در اینجا نویسید. سراغه خود رو در اینجا نویسید. There, آنجا. آنجا, آنجا. And there, here we talk about the place. Not like there are two people, but like there, it's over there. Alright, the sentence, I hope we get there in time. من امیدوارم که ما در وقتش به آنجا میرسیم. من امیدوارم که ما در وقتش به آنجا میرسیم. This way. این طرف. این طور. این طرف or این طور. So when you talk about the direction, it's این طرف. So you go this way. And when you talk about the way of doing something, like you should do it this way, it will be این طور. Do it this way. این طور باید کنی. And the sentence, which is the better way? This way or that way? کدام راه بهتر است؟ این طرف یا آن طرف؟ And one more time. کدام راه بهتر است؟ این طرف یا آن طرف؟ To turn right. به طرف راست گشتن or به دست راست گشتن. به طرف راست گشتن or به دست راست گشتن. Dust is the hand. Sometimes we say dusty roast, dusty chop, like right and left. So you can use both taraf, tarafi roast, or dusty roast. Alright, the sentence. After 2 kilometers, turn right at the crossroads. پس از 2 کیلومتر در چهارراه به طرف راست گردید. پس از 2 کیلومتر در چهارراه به طرف راست گردید. To turn left. به طرف چپ گشتن or به دست چپ گشتن. به طرف چپ گشتن or به دست چپ گشتن. So you can use both. Alright, at the sentence. Turn to the left and you will see the park. به دست چپ گردید باغ رو میبینید. به دست چپ گردید باغ رو میبینید. First, second, third, turn. گردش یکم، دوم، سیوم. گردش یکم، دوم، سیوم. So yakum, duyum, seyum is first, second, and third. Alright, so take the first turn to the right. از گردش یکم به طرف راست گردید. از گردش یکم به طرف راست گردید. To go straight ahead. راست رفتن. راست رفتن. راست رفتن. Roast has two meanings, like to the right or also straight ahead. And don't be confused because when we don't say dusty roast or tarafi roast, we just mean straight ahead. So when we want to say go to turn to the right, we say dusty roast gashtan or tarafi roast gashtan. So we use dust or taraf when we talk about right or left. So without it, just straight. Roast means straight. Go straight ahead along the street. با این کوچه راست میروید. با این کوچه راست میروید. Show me on the map. با من در خریطه نشان دهید. با من در خریطه نشان دهید. با من در خریطه نشان دهید. And a sentence. I can't find the پنجشنبه market. Can you show me on the map, please? بازار پنجشنبه را یافته نمیتوانم. میتوانید با من در خریطه نشان دهید؟ بازار پنجشنبه را یافته نمیتوانم. میتوانید با من در خریطه نشان دهید؟ Behind. پسی or قفوی. پسی or قفوی. And there is another one that we use in the north. We say pushti. Pusht is the back. So pushti and قفوی, they are more common. Alright, the sentence. What's behind that building? در پسی آن بنا چی است؟ در پسی آن بنا چی است؟ In front of. روبروی. 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 And رو means the face. Okay, the sentence. There is a beautiful tree in front of my house. در روبروی خانه من درختی زیبا موجود است. در روبروی خانه من درختی زیبا موجود است. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Khair.
Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and by the way, in this class you will learn how to say welcome in Tajik. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome. Khush omadid. Khush omadid. Khush omadid. And welcome to our home. Khush omadid ba khonei mo. Khush omadid ba khonei mo. Khush omadid is different from Salomat boshet. We say Salomat boshet when somebody says, thank you, you are welcome. So you are welcome is Salomat boshet. But Khush omadid is when we greet somebody. For example, if I have you in my house, I will say Khush omadid. Or if you come to Tajikistan, people will say Khush omadid ba Tajikistan. So this Khush omadid is different from Salomat boshet. Push. Tela dodan. Tela dodan. Tela dodan. And sometimes people say telekardan. They both mean the same thing. So the sentence: push the door to open. Darro baroy kushodan tele dihet. Darro baroy kushodan tele dihet. Pull. Kashidan. 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 And kashidan has another meaning as well. It's to draw something. Also, it will be kashidan. Alright, the sentence. You have to pull that door to open it. Барои кушодани дарро ба тарафи худ кашед. Барои кушодани дарро ба тарафи худ кашед. To pay attention. Аҳамият додан or диққат додан. Аҳамият додан or диққат додан. Аҳамият or диққат додан. Alright, so don't pay any attention to what they say. Ба гуфтаҳои онҳо аҳамият надиҳед. Ба гуфтаҳои онҳо аҳамият надиҳед. No smoking. Тамокукашӣ манъ аст. Тамокукашӣ манъ аст. Тамокукашӣ манъ аст. So no smoking in here. Дар ин ҷо тамокукашӣ манъ аст. Дар ин ҷо тамокукашӣ манъ аст. Do not touch. Даст нарасонед. Даст нарасонед. Даст нарасонед. So dast is a hand and rasidan is to touch. But here it's narasidan. So if we add na before the verb, it becomes negative. Narasidan. Okay? Dast narasonid. Alright, the sentence. Don't touch anything. Bahechis dast narasonid. Bahechis dast narasonid. Danger. Khatar. 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 And the sentence. I was not fully aware of the danger. Man az on khatar purra ogoh nabudam. Man az on khatar purra ogoh nabudam. Forbidden. Man ast. Man ast. Man ast. It's forbidden to drive here faster than 40 kilometers per hour. Dar injo bo surati az 40 kilometr testar rondan man ast. Dar injo bo surati az 40 kilometr testar rondan man ast. Discount. Takhfif. 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 So, clothes are often available at a discount. Libosho aksar vaqt bo takhfif dasrasand. Libosho aksar vaqt bo takhfif dasrasand. New. Nav or nav baromat. Nav or nav baromat. Now, baromat is like a new edition or brand new. So now is just new, a new house. Khonei now, for example. Alright, the sentence. Fazilat bought herself new shoes. Fazilat bahut poyavzoli now kharid. Fazilat bahut poyavzoli now kharid. Alright, that's been it. Thank you very much for watching, and remember the link to the PDF file of this lesson is available in the description box. So take care, see you in the next video. Khair. Hi there friends, Salam Doston. Welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein, and behind the camera is my brother Hassan. So this is week 41, and our first word is ticket. Chipta. 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 And people also say bilet, which is from Russian, bilet. So, the sentence. How much does the ticket cost?
chipta champulast, chipta champulast. And you can also add narhi chipta champulast, but it's optional. You can just say chipta champulast. In the capital, in Dushanbe, also in the south, you might hear people saying chansum instead of chanpul. So they both mean the same thing, chansum and champul. They mean how much. Ticket counter, خزینه چپت فروشی, خزینه چپت فروشی, خزینه چپت فروشی. And also people say kassa, which is from Russian. It's easier. The ticket office is open until 5 p.m. خزینه چپت فروشی تا ساعت 5 بیگاه کار میکند. خزینه چپت فروشی تا ساعت 5 بیگاه کار میکند. Price, نرخ, نرخ. We bought a house at a good price. ما خانه رو با نرخی خوب خریدیم. ما خانه رو با نرخی خوب خریدیم. Bus stop, ایستگاه اتوبوس, ایستگاه اتوبوس, ایستگاه اتوبوس. We need to find a bus stop. ما باید ایستگاه اتوبوس رو یابیم. ما باید ایستگاه اتوبوس رو یابیم. Bus line, خط سیر اتوبوس, خط سیر اتوبوس, خط سیر اتوبوس. This bus line goes to the airport. این خط سیر اتوبوس به فرودگاه می رود. این خط سیر اتوبوس به فرودگاه می رود. And people also say linie, which is from Russian, linie, which means the line. And when they ask like which bus line goes to the airport, sometimes people say کدام اتوبوس به فرودگاه می رود. کدام اتوبوس به فرودگاه می رود. One way, یک طرفه or به یک طرف. یک طرفه or به یک طرف. Depending on the sentence, you might use یک طرفه or به یک طرف. So, the sentence. The one-way ticket cost me 25 somoni. 25 somoni is about $2.5. In Tajik, چپتای یک طرفه به من 25 سومونی ارزش داشت. چپتای یک طرفه به من 25 سومونی ارزش داشت. We have a video about the Tajik currency, so if you want to learn more about that, we have a video about it, so you can find a link to that video in the description box. Round trip, رفت و آمد. رفت و آمد. رفتن means to go and آمدن is to come. رفت و آمد. Alright, it takes them 8 hours to make a round trip. برای رفت و آمد آنها 8 ساعت وقت لازم است. برای رفت و آمد آنها 8 ساعت وقت لازم است. And you might hear people saying without وقت, just برای رفت و آمد آنها 8 ساعت لازم است. It's also fine. Fare, راهگیرو. راهگیرو. And some people say راهپولی, but راهگیرو is more common. Okay, the sentence. The fare was 5 somoni. نرخ راهگیرو 5 somoni بود. نرخ راهگیرو 5 somoni بود. You can just say راهگیرو 5 somoni بود without نرخی. راهگیرو doesn't sound natural to me because in the north we say راهگیرو instead of ro, so we pronounce it with a, راهگیرو. Driver, راننده. So we told the taxi driver to take us to the library. ما به راننده تاکسی گفتیم که ما رو به کتابخانه برد. ما به راننده تاکسی گفتیم که ما رو به کتابخانه برد. Flight, پرواز. And people also say reis, and reis is from Russian. So, the sentence. The flight from Khujand to Dushanbe takes about 45 minutes. پرواز از خوجند به دوشنبه تقریباً 45 دقیقه دوام می‌دهد. One more time. پرواز از خوجند به دوشنبه تقریباً 45 دقیقه دوام می‌دهد. Alright, that's been it. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you guys in the next video. Khair.
Salam doston. Hi there friends, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. This is week 42 of our 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. So let's get started. Train, qatora or poised. Qator or qatora, they mean the same thing, train. Or another one, poised, poised. So poised is from Russian, but it's more common. And I don't really hear people saying qatora. So that's why in our sentence, we use poised, not qatora. So the sentence, Sheldon likes trains. Sheldon poised horo dost medorat. Sheldon poised horo dost medorat. Car, moshin. Moshin or moshina. Just like with a train, qator, qatora, it's the same. But moshin is more common. So the sentence, whose car is that? In moshini kist. In moshini kist or in moshinei kist. You can also say in moshini ki ast. It's the same. In moshinei ki ast. It's just that kist is the short form of ki ast. Airplane, tayora or самолет. Tayora, tayora or самолет. Just like with a train, we use more the Russian version, самолет. It's more common. So, Alisher went to Khoruq by airplane. Alisher bo tayora ba Khoruq raft. Alisher bo tayora ba Khoruq raft. And Alisher here is a male name. Khoruq is the capital of Gorno-Badakhshan region and it's south-central Tajikistan. And their language is very different. They have their own language and we don't understand them at all. But they can speak Tajik too. Taxi, 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 easy. So let's go by taxi. Bioyet bo taxi ravim. Bioyet bo taxi ravim. Next stop. Istgohi oyanda or Istgohi navbati. Istgohi navbati or Istgohi oyanda. Okay? Istgohi navbati or Istgohi oyanda. So what's the next stop? Istgohi navbati kadom ast. Istgohi navbati kadom ast. Last stop. Istgohi okhir. Istgohi okhir. Istgohi okhir. So this is the last stop, said the driver. In istgohi okhirin ast, guft ronanda. In istgohi okhirin ast, guft ronanda. Every 10 minutes. Har 10 daqiqa. Har 10 daqiqa. Har 10 daqiqa. So the sentence, there is a bus every 10 minutes. Har 10 daqiqa yak avtobus meravat. Har 10 daqiqa yak avtobus meravat. And if you want to change it to every 20 minutes, har 20 daqiqa. Every 5 minutes, har 5 daqiqa. And if you don't know how to say the numbers in Tajik or if you want a review, we have a video about that and the link is down below. Every hour, har soat. Har soat. Har soat. So the sentence, a free bus goes to the city center once every hour. Avtobusi roigon har soat yak marotiba ba markazi shahr meravat. Avtobusi roigon har soat yak marotiba ba markazi shahr meravat. Several times a day. Dar yak roz yakchan marotiba. Dar yak roz yakchan marotiba. Dar yak roz yakchan marotiba. So he drinks coffee several times a day. Vai dar yak roz yakchan marotiba qahva meneshad. Vai dar yak roz yakchan marotiba qahva meneshad. Schedule. Jadval. 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 And the sentence, the airplane's departure is on schedule. Parvozi tayora az ruy jadval surat megirat. Parvozi tayora az ruy jadval surat megirat. Alright, that's been it. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Khair. Hi there friends, Salam Doston, welcome back to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein and as usual my brother Hassan is behind the camera You are watching our 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 43. And our first phrase is write it down. Naviste giret. Naviste giret. Naviste giret. And the sentence, that's a great idea, Saidolim. Write it down, please. In yak fikri oli janopast, Saidolim. On hamon fikro naviste giret. One more time. In yak fikri oli janopast, Saidolim. Hamon fikro naviste giret. And Saidolim is a male name. Do you speak Shmo Zaboni Medonit? Shmo Zaboni, and then the language Medonit. Shmo Zaboni Medonit. So the sentence, do you speak English? Shmo Zaboni Anglisiro Medonit. Shmo Zaboni Anglisiro Medonit. And sometimes you might hear people saying Anglisi without ro, just Anglisi. Like Shmo Zaboni Anglisi Medonit. Like that. And there is another one. Instead of medonit, some people say gap mezanet when it comes to language. Shmo zaboni anglisi ro gap mezanet, or shmo zaboni anglisi gap mezanet, like that. I speak a little bit of kamtar zaboni medonam. Kamtar zaboni, and then the language medonam. Kamtar zaboni medonam. So the sentence, I speak a little bit of Turkish. Man kamtar zaboni Turki medonam. Man kamtar zaboni Turki medonam. Sometimes you might hear people saying kam instead of kamtar. So don't be surprised. It means kamtar, a little. Kam. Could you repeat that? Metavonet takror kunit. Metavonet takror kunit. Metavonet takror kunit. So the sentence, sorry, I didn't hear you. Could you repeat that, please? میبخشید من شما را نشنیدم. میتوانید تکرار کنید؟ میبخشید من شما را نشنیدم. میتوانید تکرار کنید؟ You can just say that without میتوانید. Just say تکرار کنید, just like a request. تکرار کنید. So that's how we say that. It's too formal if you say that with میتوانید. میتوانید تکرار کنید. It's too formal. I understand. من میفهمم. من میفهمم. من میفهمم. So I understand German. من زبان آلمانی رو میفهمم. من زبان آلمانی رو میفهمم. I don't understand. من نمیفهمم. من نمیفهمم. من نمیفهمم. So the sentence, I don't understand what you are talking about. من نمیفهمم شما درباره چی گپ زده ایستاده‌اید. من نمیفهمم شما درباره چی گپ زده ایستاده‌اید. You can replace all of this with just one letter, and of course it depends on the situation and the person you are talking to. So that letter is so it should sound like a question. And you cannot do that with your professor, of course, but with your friends and family members, it's fine. We do that all the time. And there's another one which is very informal. We use that in Khojand, in the northern part of Tajikistan. It's chize. So when people don't understand, they just say chize. Speak more slowly. Ohistatar gabzanit. Ohistatar gabzanit. Ohistatar gabzanit. So you are speaking a little too fast for me. Please speak more slowly. شما کمتر تیز گپ میزنید. التماس آهسته‌تر گپ زنید. One more time. شما کمتر تیز گپ میزنید. التماس آهسته‌تر گپ زنید. Is that correct? این درست است؟ همین طور نه؟ این درست است. این درست است. Or another one. همین طور نه؟ همین طور نه؟ Okay, end the sentence. You said you like playing basketball. Is that correct? شما گفتید که بسکتبال بازی کردن رو دوست می‌دارید. همین طور نه؟ One more time. شما گفتید که بسکتبال بازی کردن رو دوست می‌دارید. همین طور نه؟ What is this? این چی است؟ این چی است؟ این چی است؟ So, what is this? Asked my aunt. این چی است؟ پرسید خاله‌ام. این چی است؟ پرسید خاله‌ام. Mistake. خطاگی. 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 So I made a mistake. Man khatogi kardam. Man khatogi kardam. Alright, I hope you learned something new today, and thank you very much for watching our videos. So hope to see you in the next video. Khair. Hello friends, Salam Daston, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein. This is week 44. So let's get started. I don't have a ticket. Man chipta nadoram. Man chipta nadoram. Man chipta nadoram. And the sentence. I would love to go with you, but I don't have a ticket. Man mekhostam bo shumo ravam, ammo chipta nadoram. Or you can also say Man mekhostam bo shumo ravam, ammo man chipta nadoram. And man here is optional, you can say it without man. I lost my ticket. Man chiptam ro gum kardam. Man chiptam ro gum kardam. Man chiptam ro gum kardam. This is something that might happen when you are traveling. So let's learn how to say that in Tajik. So I've lost my ticket. What can I do? Man chiptam ro gum kardam. Man boyat chikor kunam. Man chiptam ro gum kardam. Man boyat chikor kunam. I forgot my ticket at home. Man chiptam ro dar khona faromush kardam. Man chiptam ro dar khona faromush kardam. Man chiptam ro dar khona faromush kardam. And the sentence, I forgot my ticket at home. Could you please bring it for me? Man chiptam ro dar khona faromush kardam. Metavonid on ro biorит. One more time. Man chiptam ro dar khona faromush kardam. Metavonid on ro biorит. I need a taxi. Ba man taksi lozim ast. Ba man taksi lozim ast. Ba man taksi lozim ast. And the sentence, I need a taxi. I have to go to the airport. Ba man taksi lozim ast. Man boyad ba furudgoh ravam. And one more time. Ba man taksi lozim ast. Man boyad ba furudgoh ravam. And the word furudgoh is not that common yet. People still use the Russian word aeroport. Aeroport. If you want to learn how to get a taxi in Tajik, we have a video about that. And you can find the link to that video in the description box. My address. Suroghay man. Suroghay man. Suroghay man. And there's the letter kh in the middle. Alright, the sentence. Here is my address. Ana suroghay man. Ana suroghay man. Are you available? Shmo kholi hastit. Or shmo ozod hastit. Shmo kholi hastit. Or shmo ozod hastit. You can use both. Alright, what days are you available? Shmo dar kadom ruzho kholi hastit. Shmo dar kadom ruzho kholi hastit. How much is it to get to? To champul meshavat. To, and then the place you want to go to, champul meshavat. To champul meshavat. Alright, the sentence. How much is it to get to Panjakent? To Panjakent champul meshavat. To Panjakent champul meshavat. Panjakent is a small city in western Tajikistan. It's very old and it's a short distance from Samarkand. Do you know where it is? Shumo dar kujo budani onro medonit. Shumo dar kujo budani onro medonit. Shumo dar kujo budani onro medonit. Alright, now the sentence. So, I need to go to the pharmacy. Do you know where it is? Man boyad ba dorokhona ravam. Shumo dar kujo budani onro medonit. One more time. Man boyad ba dorokhona ravam. Shumo dar kujo budani onro medonit. Stop here. Dar hamin jo nigoh doret. Dar hamin jo nigoh doret. One more time. Dar hamin jo nigoh doret. Alright, the sentence. Could you stop here, please? Metavonit dar hamin jo nigoh doret. Metavonit dar hamin jo nigoh doret. And hamin jo nigoh doret, it's too long. That's not how we say that in the north. We say hamin jo doret. Just hamin jo doret. Or just sometimes doret without hamin jo. And in the capital, in Dushanbe, they say man kunit. Man kunit. And at the end, after man, there is alomati sakta. That's how we call it. The glottal. Not here. Dar injo nest. Dar injo nest. Dar injo nest. And the sentence, the bus is not here, we should have come earlier. Avtobus dar injo nest, mo boyad barvaqtar meomadem. One more time. Avtobus dar injo nest, mo boyad barvaqtar meomadem. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Khair. Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein. This is week 45 of our 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. So let's dive in. Sure, bovari doshtan or albatta. Bovari doshtan or albatta. Depending on the sentence, it might change. Bovari doshtan is like, I'm sure that this is right. And albatta is like, sure. When someone asks you something, you say, sure. So that's albatta. Okay, the sentence. Are you sure that she is not lying? Bovari dorit ki vai durugh namegoyad? Bovari dorit ki vai durugh namegoyad? Very well. Khele khub. Khele khub. Khele khub. So, Nilufar is very well educated. Nilufar ma'lumoti khele khub dorad. Nilufar ma'lumoti khele khub dorad. And Nilufar is a female name. It's quite common in Tajikistan. Correct. Durust or rost. Durust or rost. Rost also has another meaning, just like right, when you're talking about the direction. For example, right hand will be dasti rost. Alright. Yes, that's correct. Farhod. Farhod is a male name. And in Tajik, bale in durust ast farhod. Bale in durust ast farhod. And bale is quite formal. Not many people say bale. You can say ha instead. Ha also means yes. Good idea. Fikri khub. Fikri khub. So the sentence, this was such a good idea. In yak fikri khub bud. In yak fikri khub bud. I don't think so. Ba nazaram ne or ba fikram ne. Ba nazaram ne or ba fikram ne. Ba fikram ne. Both are fine. So, with this example, we don't have a sentence, we have a dialogue, short dialogue. So, is he married? I don't think so. Vai oiladorast? Ba nazaram ne. So, is he married? Vai oiladorast? I don't think so. Ba nazaram ne. Not true. Durust nest. Durust nest. So, some people think that it's not true. Baze odamon fikr mekunand ki in durust nest. Baze odamon fikr mekunand ki in durust nest. I'm not sure. Ma aniq namedonam. Man aniq namedonam. Alright, the sentence. I'm not sure when he is coming. Man aniq namedonam ki vai kai meoyad. Man aniq namedonam ki vai kai meoyad. And in spoken Tajik, we don't really use, we don't say ki. We just say it without ki. Ma aniq namedonam vai kai meoyad. I can't imagine. Tasavvur karda nametavonam. Tasavvur karda nametavonam. And the sentence, I couldn't imagine what was going to happen. Man tasavvur karda nametavonistam ki chi ro'y medihat. Man tasavvur karda nametavonistam ki chi ro'y medihat. Sorry, I can't. Mebakhshet, man nametavonam. Mebakhshet, man nametavonam. So the sentence, I'm sorry, I can't go. Mebakhshet, man rafta nametavonam. Mebakhshet, man rafta nametavonam. And sometimes instead of mebakhshet, you might hear people saying bubakhshet. They both mean the same. I'm sorry. So bubakhshet and mebakhshet, especially in the south or in the capital of Tajikistan, in Dushanbe, they usually say bubakhshet or bakhshish. I doubt it. Man shubha doram. Man shubha doram. Man shubha doram. And sometimes also people say bovari nadoram, which means the same thing. Alright, the sentence. I doubt Faridun knows how to draw. Faridun is a male name. So in Tajik, man shubha doram ki Faridun rasm kashida metavonad. Man shubha doram ki Faridun rasm kashida metavonad. And with bovari nadoram, you can say man bovari nadoram ki Faridun rasm kashida metavonad. No offense, Faridun. Thanks a lot for watching our videos, guys. Thank you so much. And stay tuned. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam Doston, hi there friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein and behind the camera is my brother Hassan. In this channel, we teach Tajik. So this is week 46 of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. And let's get started. A little, a few, less. Kamtar or kam. Kamtar or kam. In Tajik, we don't have countable or uncountable nouns. So that's why a little, a few, or less will be kamtar or kam. But most of the time it's kamtar. So like in this example, for example, it's a little cold today. Imrus kamtar khunukast. Imrus kamtar khunukast. But sometimes when people say a little or a few, they use kam. But most of the time I hear kamtar. Some. Yakchant. 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 So I know some students in that school. Man yakchan talabagoni on maktabro meshinosam. Man yakchan talabagoni on maktabro meshinosam. Any. Yagon. 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 So, do you have any brothers? Shumo yagon barodar doret. Shumo yagon barodar doret. A lot. Many. Much. Bisyor or ziyot. Bisyor or ziyot. Ziyot. They both mean the same thing. So it's not like in English a lot or many, much with countable, uncountable nouns. Bisyor and ziyot, they both mean the same thing. For example, much water will be bisyor op, and many flowers, bisyor gul. So the sentence. I have a lot of things to do tomorrow. Man pagoh bisyor kordoram. Man pagoh bisyor kordoram. More. Bisyortar or beshtar. Bisyortar or beshtar. Beshtar. You can use them interchangeably. So, the sentence. Eat more fresh vegetables. Bisyortar sabzavoti taru toza khored. Bisyortar sabzavoti taru toza khored. All. Hama. Hama. So, all of my friends like basketball. Hama dostoni man basketball ro dost medorand. Hama dostoni man basketball ro dost medorand. Half. Nisf or nim. Nim or nisf. Nim or nisf. They are synonyms. So, the sentence. Cooking took half an hour. Pukhtupas nim soat vaqt girift. Pukhtupas nim soat vaqt girift. Sometimes. Bazan or goho. Bazan or goho. Bazan or goho. Bazan is more common. So, the sentence. I sometimes cook dinner. Man bazan khoiroki shom mepazam. Man bazan khoiroki shom mepazam. And here cook comes as a verb. That's why it's khoiroki shom mepazam. Like mepazam. But in a previous example, we had cooking. Cooking is a noun. That's why it was pukhtupas, not mepazam. Weekdays or workdays. Rozhoi kori. Rozhoi kori. Rozhoi kori. She's always busy on weekdays. She's always busy on weekdays. In Tajik, vai hamesha dar rozhoi kori band ast. Vai hamesha dar rozhoi kori band ast. Holiday. Ta'atil or eat. Ta'atil or eat. ta'til or Eid. And ta'til is more like a holiday, like summer holidays or winter break. And Eid is a holiday like New Year. Eid, that's Eid. So the sentence, I'm on holiday. Man dar ta'til hastam. Man dar ta'til hastam. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching our videos, and I hope you learned something new today. And if you did, please click the like button. It will help our channel a lot. So take care. See you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam. Hi there friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein. You are watching our 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik, and this is week 47. So our first word is sleepy. Khobolut. 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 Khob means sleep. Sleep. Alright, the sentence. I felt sleepy all day. Man tamomi roz khud ro khobolut his mekardam. Man tamomi roz خود رو خوبالود حس می‌کردم. Thirsty. تشنه. 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 So, I'm so thirsty. من خیلی تشنه‌ام. من خیلی تشنه‌ام. Or you can also say من خیلی تشنه‌ام. من خیلی تشنه‌ام, because the word تشنه ends with the vowel a. You can end it with yam instead of am. من خیلی تشنه‌ام. Proud. فخر کردن. فخر کردن. I'm proud of you. من با شما فخر میکنم. من با شما فخر میکنم. And people don't really say من شما با شما فخر میکنم in Tajikistan. It's not common. I mean, it's not that people don't praise each other, but usually people say something like barakallah, which means like well done, good job. But not this way. من با شما فخر میکنم. Depressed. ره افتاده. ره افتاده. ره افتاده. And we say it fast, not like ره افتاده. Just ره افتاده. Alright, Maftuna looks depressed. Maftuna is a female name. And in Tajik, Maftuna ره افتاده می نموید. Maftuna ره افتاده می نموید. Hungry. گرسنه or گشنه. گرسنه. گرسنه. Or gushna. Gushna. They both mean the same thing. Hungry. So, the sentence. I'm hungry because I didn't eat lunch. Man gurusnam chunki khoroki nisfirozi nakhordam. Man gurusnam chunki khoroki nisfirozi nakhordam. In southern Tajikistan and also in the capital, in Dushanbe, people don't really pronounce They just say u instead. For example, we have a word there, khordan or khoroki nisfirozi. They just say khoroki nisfirozi like that. They just pronounce u instead of Nervous. Asaboni. 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 And the sentence, I was a little nervous. Man kamtar asaboni shudam. Man kamtar asaboni shudam. I like. Baman maqul. Baman maqul. Baman maqul. Alright, the sentence. I like this food very much. Baman in khoirok khele maqul ast. Baman in khoirok khele maqul ast. Great. Buzurg. Oli janob. Or behtarin. Buzurg. Buzurg. Oli janob. Or behtarin. Buzurg. Oli janob. Or behtarin. We use buzurg when we talk about the people or the event. For example, that's a great man. Vai odami buzurgast. And oli janob and behtarin when we talk about something like that's a great thing or that's a great idea. Oli janob or behtarin. Alright, the sentence. That's a great accomplishment. In yak komyobi buzurgast. In yak komyobi buzurgast. But most of the time in the northern Tajikistan, in Khujand especially, we say zur instead of behtarin. Behtarin, people say behtarin too, but not oli janob or buzurg. So we say zur instead. Not bad, but nest. But nest. But nest. So, not bad for a kid. Барои кӯдак bad nest. Барои кӯдак bad nest. In Khujand, in northern Tajikistan, we say gandane instead. Gandane, not bad nest. So the sentence will be барои кӯдак gandane. I'm in love. Ман ошиқ шудам. Ман ошиқ шудам. Ман ошиқ шудам. Or you can also say ман ошиқам. Ман ошиқам. The same thing. Alright, the sentence. I was 20 when I first fell in love. باری اول در سن 20 سالگیم عاشق شدم. باری اول در سن 20 سالگیم عاشق شدم. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching our videos and see you guys in the next video. Khair. Hello friends, Salam Doston. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein. This is week 48, so 3 more weeks to go, and then we'll finish this video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. So let's get started. Do you like it here? Ба шумо инҷо маъқул аст? Do you like it here? Ба шумо инҷо маъқул аст? Ба шумо инҷо маъқул аст? And our example is a mini dialogue. So, do you like it here? It's good so far. Ба шумо инҷо маъқул аст? То ин дам хуб буд. One more time. Ба шумо инҷо маъқул аст? То ин дам хуб буд. But instead of to ин дам хуб буд, I would say just gandane, which is not bad. It's easier. I don't like. Ба ман маъқул нест. I don't like it. Ба ман маъқул нест. Ба ман маъқул нест. Or you can just say ба ман маъқул не without st at the end. Ба ман маъқул не. So, the example. I don't like this food. It's too spicy for me. ин хӯрок ба ман маъқул нест. Барои ман хеле тунд аст. ин хӯрок ба ман маъқул нест. Барои ман хеле тунд аст. It's not good. ин хуб нест. It's not good. ин хуб нест. ин хуб нест. And the sentence. This milk is not good. It's expired. ин шир хуб нест. مهلت نگهداریش گذشته است. One more time. این شیر خوب نیست. مهلت نگهداریش گذشته است. I'm with my friend. من با دوستم or دوگانه‌ام. I'm with my friend. من با دوستم or دوگانه‌ام. دوگانه is a female friend, but you can use دوستم for both, for boys or for girls. But if you want to be specific, you better say دوگانه. Dugona is a female friend. For example, my female friend Dugonei man, and everybody will know that that's a girl. In northern Tajikistan, in Khujand, we usually use the word oshno, or another one, jure. Oshno and jure, they both mean a friend. Dostam is a little bit too formal. Okay, the sentence. I will watch a movie with my friend. Man bo dostam film tamasho mekunam. Man با دوستم فیلم تماشا میکنم. Alone. تنها. Alone. تنها. تنها. So, some people like to travel alone. بعضی آدمان تنها سفر کردن را دوست می‌دارند. بعضی آدمان تنها سفر کردن را دوست می‌دارند. You're kidding. شوخی میکنید. You're kidding. شوخی میکنید. شوخی میکنید. Alright, the sentence. You are kidding me. It's impossible to finish the task by Friday. شما شوخی میکنید؟ تا روز جمعه سپارش را به آخر رسانیدن ممکن نیست. شما شوخی میکنید؟ تا روز جمعه سپارش را به آخر رسانیدن ممکن نیست. And شما here at the beginning is optional. You can just say شوخی میکنید. It's fine. Are you serious? شما جدی میگویید؟ Are you serious? شما جدی میگویید؟ شما جدی میگویید؟ And our example is a mini dialogue. So, you can't play football with us. Are you serious? تو با ما فوتبال بازی کردن نمیتوانی. شما جدی میگویید؟ You can't play football with us. تو با ما فوتبال بازی کردن نمیتوانی. Are you serious? شما جدی میگویید؟ here we have tu and shumo. Tu and shumo, they both mean you, but in Tajikistan, we use tu for someone younger than you, or maybe your siblings, your close friends, and shumo is for someone older, someone you don't know, like a stranger. We use shumo. I've been here since man az dar injo hastam. I've been here since man az dar injo hastam. And the sentence, I've been here since January. Man az mohi yanvar dar injo hastam. Man az mohi yanvar dar injo hastam. And the way we say it in northern Tajikistan, in Khojand, we just say man az mohi yanvar AC dar haminjo hastam. Man az mohi yanvar AC dar haminjo hastam. We just add AC, which means like from that time. Unbelievable. Ajib, bebaho, khele khub. Unbelievable. Ajib, bebaho, or khele khub. Ajib is like unbelievable, amazing. And bebaho is beautiful, it's speechless. And khele khub is very good. So, the sentence. We had an unbelievable time in Tokyo. Mo dar Tokyo vaqtamon ro khele khub guzaronidem. Mo dar Tokyo vaqtamon ro khele khub guzaronidem. I won't believe, or I don't believe. Man bowar namekunam. I won't believe it, or I don't believe it. In Tajik, man bowar namekunam. Man bowar namekunam. And for both, I won't believe it or I don't believe it, just one. Man bowar namekunam. Because present tense and the future tense, it's the same in Tajik. If you want to learn more about the verbs, we have a video about the verbs. You can check it out. The link will be down below. Alright, the sentence. So, I won't believe it until I see it myself. To khudam nabinam bowar namekunam. To khudam nabinam bowar namekunam. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Khair. Salam doston. Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein. This is week 49. One more week to go and then we'll complete this video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. So, let's get started. I'm looking for man mekobam or man mejoyam. I'm looking for man mekobam or man mejoyam. Man mekobam is more common. Alright, the sentence. I'm looking for my key. Man kaliti khudro mekobam. Man kalidi khudro mekobam. There is an easier way to say the same sentence without khudro. So man kalitamro mekobam. Man kalitamro mekobam. Both man kaliti khudro mekobam and man kalitamro mekobam, they both mean the same thing, just that the second one is a little easier. ATM, bankomat. ATM, bankomat, bankomat. Alright, the sentence. To see the list of ATM locations, use the following link. برای دیدن رویخط جایگیرشوی بانکمات ها از پیوندک زیرین استفاده نماید. One more time. برای دیدن رویخط جایگیرشوی بانکمات ها از پیوندک زیرین استفاده نماید. It's a long sentence. It's quite formal. And I got this sentence from the local bank in Tajikistan. Khata Bank is one of the best banks in Tajikistan. And that's how they put it there. And the word payvandak is not that common yet in Tajikistan. Instead of that, we usually use the Russian word, which is silka. Silka is more common. Currency, as-or. Currency, as-or. So, one card, three currencies, somoni, dollar, and ruble. So, in Tajik, ya kort se as-or. Somoni, dollar, va ruble. One more time. Ya kort se as-or. Somoni, dollar, va ruble. So this sentence, one card, three currencies, just describes this card. So this card is from Alif Bank, is one of the banks in Tajikistan, and it allows you to use three currencies just in one card, ruble, somoni, and dollars. Somoni is the currency in Tajikistan. This bank, Alif Bank, is not sponsoring this video. It just happened that I have this card with myself today. If you want to learn more about the Tajik currency, the money that we use in Tajikistan, somoni, you can watch our video about that. The link will be in the description. Exchange office, مبادله اسعار. Exchange office مبادله اسعار. مبادله اسعار. Alright, the sentence. There are many exchange offices in Panchambe. Panchambe is the market. It's located in the city center in Khujand, our hometown, and it's in northern Tajikistan. Alright, the same sentence in Tajik. در پنجشنبه نقطه‌های مبادله اسعار زیادند. در پنجشنبه نقطه‌های مبادله اسعار زیادند. Street کوچه. Street کوچه. کوچه. I found 10 somoni in the street. من در کوچه 10 somoni یافتم. من در کوچه 10 somoni یافتم. So, lucky day. 10 somoni is about $1, and you can do lots of things with 10 somoni. For example, you can have a simple lunch. You can pay for the taxi if you are in the city center. You don't go too far. And you can also buy ice cream and buy one for your friend because ice cream is quite cheap. Building. Bino. Building. Bino. Bino. Easy. Bino. So the building is located in the city center. Bino dar markazi shahr joygir ast. Bino dar markazi shahr joygir ast. This place. Injo or enjoy. This place. Enjoy or enjoy. Joy and joy, they both mean the same thing. So, the sentence. This place is so beautiful. Injo khele zebo ast. Injo khele zebo ast. Before. Pesh. Before. Pesh. Pesh. So, lock the door before you leave. Pesh az raftan dar ro qulf kunid. Pesh az raftan dar ro qulf kunid. Later. Dirtar or battar. Later. Dirtar or battar. Dirtar or battar. Be careful with the word battar because if you just say it without alomati sakta, without a, battar, it will mean worse. Worse. So battar means worse. Battar means later. Alright, the sentence. Can you call later, please? Metavonit dirtar zang zenit. Metavonit dirtar zang zenit. After. But us. Or pass us. After. Pass us or but us. You can use both. Pass us or bad us. Pass us is more formal. We often played football after school. ما أكثر وقت بعد از درس فوتبال بازی می‌کردیم. ما أكثر وقت بعد از درس فوتبال بازی می‌کردیم. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new, and in this video we included many things about Tajikistan as well. I hope it was useful. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Khair. Hi there friends, Salam Doston, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein and this is week 50, the last week of this video series. The video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. It's been a long journey. We started in Tajikistan and now we are in Cambodia. We'll finish here in Cambodia. It's late. Bevaqt shud or der shud. It's late. Bevaqt shud or der shud. Bevaqt shud or der shud. So, it's getting late. We should go home. Der shud, mo boyad ba khona ravim. Der shud, mo boyad ba khona ravim. See you at. Soati vo mekhurim. See you at, and then the hour. Soati vo mekhurim. Soati vo mekhurim. So the sentence. I'm going to work. See you at 7. Man ba kor miravam. Soati haft vo mekhurim. Man ba kor miravam. ساعتی 7 و میخوریم. See you tomorrow. تو پگاه. See you tomorrow. تو پگاه. تو پگاه. So, see you tomorrow. Please don't be late. تو پگاه التماس دیر نمانید. تو پگاه التماس دیر نمانید. See you soon. تو بازدید or خیر. See you soon. تو بازدید or خیر. To bozdid or khair. So, the sentence. Thanks for your help, Tohir. See you soon. Tohir is a male name. And in Tajik, tashakkur baroy کمکتون توهیر خیر. تشکر برای کمکتون توهیر خیر. I'll be right back. من حاضر برمیگردم or من زود برمیگردم. I'll be right back. من زود برمیگردم or من حاضر برمیگردم. And زود means fast. حاضر means right now. Alright, the sentence. It's only 3 kilometers away. I'll be right back. آنجا همگی 3 کیلومتر دور است. من زود برمیگردم. One more time. آنجا همگی 3 کیلومتر دور است. من زود برمیگردم. Talk to you later. دیرتر گپ میزنیم. Talk to you later. دیرتر گپ میزنیم. دیرتر گپ میزنیم. And the sentence. Oh, you are leaving already? Talk to you later then. Oh, شما الکی میروید؟ نباشد دیرتر گپ میزنیم. One more time. Oh, شما الکی میروید؟ نباشد دیرتر گپ میزنیم. And نباشد here, نباشد itself means like you don't have that. For example, کتاب نباشد درس نمیشود. No books, no classes. But here in this sentence, most of the time we use it like then in English. Talk to you later then. See you later then. So that then is نباشد. نباشد دیرتر گپ میزنیم. I'll miss. یاد میکنم. I'll miss. یاد میکنم. یاد میکنم. So I'll miss you when I go to Brazil. وقتی که با برزیل میروم تو رو یاد میکنم. وقتی که با برزیل میروم تو رو یاد میکنم. Good night. شب خوش. Good night. شب خوش. شب خوش. But in Khojand, in northern Tajikistan, we usually say خوبوی نخس. خوبوی نخس, which means the same thing. Alright, the sentence. Good night. See you next week. شب خوش تا هفته آینده. شب خوش تا هفته آینده. Good luck. برای کار or موفقیت. Good luck. موفقیت. موفقیت or برای کار. برای کار. So, good luck on your history test. موفقیت در امتحان تاریخ. One more time. موفقیت در امتحان تاریخ. Goodbye. تا دیدن or خیر. Goodbye. خیر or تا دیدن. خیر or تا دیدن. خیر is more common. Alright, the sentence, very short. Goodbye, my friend. خیر دوستم. خیر دوستم. Alright, that's been it. Thank you very much for watching our videos, for leaving comments, and for sharing our videos. We appreciate that. And don't forget, as usual, you can find the PDF link of this video lesson in the description box. So, it's been a long journey, and this was the last video of this video series, but there is more to come. So stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Khair.